start.
Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about magic milk experiment. Here, when dish soap is dropped into milk, there is a swirl of activity of soap molecules finding and bonding with fat molecules in the milk. With millions of molecules swirling around looking for mates, the colors in the milk get all mixed up. It looks like the milk is erupting for several seconds. You know, milk is made up of vitamins, minerals, proteins and fats, which we drink in our daily life to strengthen body around meal. Any flavors can be added such as chocolate powder, coffee powder, strawberry and many more. Now, materials you need is plate, 1 cup of milk, 1 drop of dishwashing liquid, food coloring, and toothpicks. Or, earbuds as an optional. To start the experiment, first of all, you have to pour 1 cup of milk on a plate, could be a plastic or any cookware type you want. Second step, put a few drops of food coloring, typically all types of colors in the central point. And third step, pour a dish soap in a few amount in the center of the milk, and watch what happens. Woo! The colors start spreading across the milk. Why does it happen? As you know, soap molecules consist of a hydrophilic end and a hydrophobic end, as discussed much before, just like we figured out with the elephant toothpaste. Water molecules are polar molecules that can dissolve other polar molecules. Fat and oil molecules are nonpolar molecules, so they cannot dissolve in water. If in case without pouring dishwash soap, you can use either toothpicks or earbuds to spread out colors. You know, it's a very easy and simple experiment and you can find out. So now we learned about magic milk experiment. Like, comment, and subscribe now.